The DR3900 is a cornerstone of water analysis in many laboratories. Hach's service ensures its critical components are always operating at peak performance to maintain accuracy and consistency. At our service center, we start by thoroughly cleaning the instrument internally, extending its lifespan and preventing potential performance issues. Our certified factory-trained technicians then carefully inspect the device and perform tasks such as adjusting the light beam, replacing all 4 lenses, and aligning the filter wheel to ensure correct wavelength settings, checking the grating motor to ensure the beam path height is correctly adjusted. All of this is done to deliver the highest measurement accuracy and dependable results. We'll also update your software to support the latest cuvette tests while backing up your data, applications, and settings beforehand. Next, we check every hardware component and calibrate the instrument, so you receive a certificate for internal or external audits. If you send your DR3900 to us, please include your power cable and plugs so we can safely test it under operating conditions. And before we return your instrument, we'll leave a reminder of when your next service is due. Contact your local Hach representative to learn which service plan is best for you.